Here we are today, YouTube. This is part 2 of the T-Mobile Galaxy iPhone 8 Plus, which that is definitely the same Imei, which we're just gonna go over here and just kind of copy the same Imei. We're gonna make a whole new swapper page. And paste the same Imei. Voila. Clean and clear, both blocks removed. Let's take a swing back over here. Imei check status when we showed you in part 1 of that Imei. We're just gonna go ahead and just gonna delete that out of it, and let's check it now again. Let's paste that same Imei. JNDWK. YKJ. Voila. Congratulations. Your device can be used now. This works for all of the newest iPhones, any T-Mobile tablets, iPads with Imeis. Definitely all set right there. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.